Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to use Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio Code. But first I would request you to please like, share and subscribe, and most importantly give your feedback in the form of comments. So now I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser, and first I will install Python, the latest version in my system. So download Python, and I will click this link and I will download the latest version in my system. Okay, download unverified file. So I'm going to click this exe file and I will now customize, click next. I will click this one and I will click this add Python to variable, install, and this will start the installation process. It will take some time to complete, so you have to wait for a while. Okay, setup has been successfully installed. Click close. I'm going to open the command prompt and I will type the command python -- version and I will click enter. So this is the latest version that has been installed. So next I'm going to install the Jupyter Notebook in my system, and then we'll be using the notebook in Visual Studio Code. So I will open the command prompt again and I will type the command pip install notebook. Okay, and I will press enter. This will install the Jupyter Notebook in my system. Okay, it is installing at the moment. It will take some time to complete. Okay, so you have to wait for a while until this is done and dusted. So the Jupyter Notebook has been successfully installed. Next I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, and I will install few extensions. So the extension that I will install is the Jupyter, and press enter. This one, Jupyter by Microsoft.com. I will install it. Okay, it is installing at the moment. It has been installed. Next I'm going to create a program. Okay, I have already created this folder, so you can add this folder from here. Okay, go and open folder, go to the E directory. So I have already created this, I have already added this. Okay, and then you have to select the folder. Okay, no need to add this again. Now I'm going to create a file. Okay, now in order to create a file you have to use this extension, Control-C, and let me just create it a file here. Okay, let me just create it from here, new file, program dot, okay, this one. Okay, enter. This is going to be my extension. Okay, now I have to add a code. In order to add a code cell, you will type this. Okay, in order to run a command, I will show you how to run a code, but first you have to add a kernel. Select. So I'm going to add this one, the Python kernel. Okay, you can also type the Python environment, and I will select the latest version, this one. Okay, 3.13, and I will type print hello world. So I will create my first program, hello world, and I will run this program. Okay, now in order to run this, you have to click this execute cell and below run hello world in your screen. Okay, so this is how you use Jupyter Notebook in Visual Studio Code and run your first program, hello world. I hope you have gone through the process. Thank you so much and have a great learning.